Can you only get iron from eating red meat? Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Chaney, one half of a husband and wife team, and we're dedicated to helping you reclaim your physical and financial health. And so the question I got in today is, my doctor's saying I'm anemic and I can only eat red meat. Must I give up eating a plant-based / vegan life? And answer is no. First off, your doctor doesn't know what he's talking about, and I'm not anti-doctors. However, if you're using a doctor that is not plant-based, they're only required to take up to 8 hours of nutrition course for their whole career. So 8 hours of nutrition course that they probably took 20 some years ago, they don't really know much about nutrition, so I would not take nutrition advice from a doctor. Matter of fact, that doctor should have outsourced you to someone who was either plant-based, whether a nutritionist or another plant-based general practitioner doctor. So I'm gonna just break down, you can get iron from all sorts of plants and vegetables. I'm gonna just read it off. And so first off is with legumes. Lentils, 1 cup of cooked lentils have 6.6 milligrams of iron. Other beans such as red kidney and navy beans have 4.4 to 6.6 grams of milligrams of iron. From nuts and seeds, whether it's pumpkin, sesame, hemp, or flax seeds, you get anywhere between 1.2 to 4.2 milligrams of iron per tablespoon. Also through cashew nuts. From vegetables, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and things like that, you get 2.5 to 6.4 milligrams of iron per cooked cup. Tomato paste, you get 3.9 milligrams of iron. Mushrooms, 2.7 milligrams per cooked cup. So just Google vegetable sources to get iron. That's a really great way to just figure it out instead of reading the whole list. And also self-educate yourself. Remember, your doctor works for you. You're not a slave to whatever they tell you. So if it's something that doesn't agree with your lifestyle, or you feel in your heart that what they're telling you is not right, you should just go and find another doctor and fire that doctor. Also, Google plant-based doctors online. You'll see tons of them, whether they're posting stuff through YouTube, Instagram, or even Facebook. You have to self-educate yourself. Don't just trust the medical system. There's a reason why you wanted to switch to a plant-based from what you've normally been eating, and most likely you're feeling other benefits. Also, with our 3M approach, you may want to start doing what we do. We call it the mapping part, and it's where you're tracking what you're eating. Sometimes when people start to switch from one lifestyle to another lifestyle with their eating, they tend to not eat as much foods, but they think they are. So track what you're eating. I usually tell people track at least 3 days and try to do 1 day that's over the weekend, and it gives you a good assessment of how you're eating overall. And you may see that you just need to eat more foods, and either by setting a timer or just having set time meals each day. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Ciao.